Bad vibes, you done it again? You are in the kitchen? Where are you in the kitchen? Sure, be a food in the pot from one day, you know. Alright. Breakfast, lunchtime, dinner time, so fine. It's my breakfast, it's my lunch. Dinner time, up in the kitchen me I go. Up in the kitchen me I go. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. But baby, me a come home, hurry. Make sure say me chicken back curry. Put it on a low fire. Story, me no go a McDonald's, me no trouble McFlurry. Pound of flour, cornmeal with it. Yam and banana, respect honey. If you have time, use cassava, make bammy. Me have 2 fish where you deal with the granny. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. Chicken back and ackee, watch him make me style them, chop it up fine. Basmati rice with a shot of white wine. Chicken parts, and a steak sirloin. Pot a bubble up, back on the front line. Big pot of soup, music a bacchanal. Michelin chef come from Senegal, but the yardy chef a him have the chicken back special. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Chicken a chop up, chicken a chop up. Wall a leg, wall a side, wall a breast cut. Chicken back, you know that are the best cut. But baby, me a come home, hurry. Make sure say me chicken back curry. Put it on a low fire. Story, me no go a McDonald's, me no trouble McFlurry. Pound of flour, cornmeal with it. Yam and banana, respect honey. If you have time, use cassava, make bammy. Me have 2 fish where you deal with the granny.